Hello everyone, my name is Lutfi and this is my 13th video on learning Campbell biology. And in this video, we are going to learn about the unity in the diversity of life. Okay, and these are our main subjects for this video. And before we start, I want to give the right answer to the question that I asked in the previous video. The question was that, in which kingdom of the eukaryotes do humans belong to? Okay, so the right answer is that humans belong to the kingdom Animalia, okay, which I have talked about in the last video. And if you like to see my previous videos, you can just hit the subscribe button and to all those people that are learning Campbell biology, I recommend watching my previous videos, which you can see by clicking the subscribe button, or you can just type in the search part of YouTube Sohrab Lutfi. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go learning. Okay, as you can see around you, life is very diverse. Okay, but with diversity there is always unity in life. Okay, you can take for example the similar skeletons of different animals. Okay, and another fact or example would be the universal genetic language of DNA. Okay, supposing that you know what is insulin, it's a kind of hormone or protein that is produced inside the pancreas. Okay, and you should have in mind that hormones and enzymes are a kind of protein, okay, that do different jobs. Hormones give these little messages, and enzymes break down big macromolecules, okay, or in fact they can break down starches or lipids and triglycerides and all of them. Okay, so now if you give a bacteria the gene for producing insulin, it would make insulin, because the genetic code for insulin is the same in for example animals or bacteria. Okay, but bacteria don't use insulin, so they don't have that gene. Okay, and I have talked about insulin in my previous videos. Okay, so you know what to do. Okay, and so in fact similarities between organisms are evident in the levels of the biological hierarchy. Okay, for example, unity is obvious in many features, okay, in the structure of the cells, and the fascinating fact is that the unity of cells are even among distantly related organisms, okay. And so you might be asking yourself, how can we account for life's dual nature of unity and diversity? Okay, well, the answer is that the processes of evolution illuminates both the similarities and the diversity in the vast world of life. Okay, as you can see in this picture, this finch, okay, has evolved in different places or climates and has become three different finches. Okay, this is the diversity part of evolution, and as you can see, both of them look almost alike. Okay, and that's the unity part of evolution. Okay, and evolution also introduces another dimension to biology, okay, which is the passage of time, okay, which is the history of life, which is documented by fossils. Okay, this is an example of fossil over here, and other evidences exist. Okay, and fossils and other examples of them are the saga of a changing Earth billions of years old, okay, which is inhabited by an evolving cast of living forms, okay, forms of different animals, I mean, okay. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and happy learnings for you all, to you all, okay.